Okay. Let's get the tape off.
It's not a picture, it's a video.
Yeah.
Yay, 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 yay.
Ooh.
What are these?
I didn't know there were two different boxes.
What are these?
Well, I don't know. You'll have to
Wait, does it
see.
say names on the bottom of them?
This is... Oh, this is yours. This is yours. Okay. I'm gonna have to get the tape off. Is she in the video, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hold on.
Ooh, a unicorn one.
You think yours is a Dora, huh?
I really want a unicorn. I really want a unicorn.
Look what she can do. She can fold up like this.
Now she's a pet. Now she's a pet.
Yep. Now she's a pet.
Wait, actually, Dora's crawling.
What do you say, Hannah? What do you say to Grandpa and Grandma?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Our first present.
Yay.
Thanks, Grandma and Grandpa.